Hey everyone, welcome to our video on the OKX Referral Code. If you're eager to dive into the world of cryptocurrency trading and want to unlock amazing rewards, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how using the referral code 67374-754 can enhance your trading experience and benefit both you and your friends. So, what is an OKX referral code? It's a unique code that allows you to invite others to join the OKX platform. When someone signs up using your code, both of you can enjoy fantastic rewards. This is a great way to earn while helping others explore the exciting world of crypto trading by entering the referral code 673-74754. During registration, new users can access incredible bonuses. This includes mystery boxes that could contain valuable rewards worth up to $10,000. Imagine starting your trading journey with such an exciting boost. It's like having a head start in a race. Here's how to get started. 1. Sign up. Visit the OKX website or download the app from your app store. Click on Sign Up and fill in your details. Make sure to enter the referral code 673-74754 in the designated field. 2. Verify your account. After signing up, check your email for a verification link. Click it to activate your account and get ready to trade. 3. Explore your rewards. Once logged in, head over to the referral section in your account. Here you'll find all the bonuses available after using the referral code. Now let's talk about those rewards. For every friend who signs up using your code and completes a deposit of $50 or more, both of you will receive additional mystery boxes. There's no limit to how many friends you can refer or how many boxes you can earn. It's truly a win-win situation. Sharing is easy. Spread the word about OKX and your referral code 673-74754 through social media or messaging apps. The more people you invite, the greater your rewards. In conclusion, using the OKX referral code 673-74754 not only boosts your own trading experience, but also helps others join a vibrant community with exciting bonuses. So why wait? Start sharing today and watch your rewards grow. Happy trading!